This is creamy roasted red pepper soup with pure pepper flavor. It's rich and comforting, pleasantly mild on its own, but easy to customize if you want to spice it up a bit. Let me show you how to make it. So today I'm using red bell peppers, and the first thing you need to do is just slice them in half lengthwise, and we're gonna remove the seeds and the innards here. Use your knife if you need to. And just set it onto a lined baking tray. You can oil it if you need to. And just go ahead and do all of these and get them ready for roasting. All right, got the last pepper here. All right, got everything set onto a baking sheet here. But since we're doing a lot, I'm gonna do this in the oven, and you can either bake or broil. It really just a timing thing, but I'm gonna do on a low broil today. So I have my oven set to a low broil, and I'm gonna pop this into the oven for about 15 minutes until the skins char and blacken. So just keep an eye on it and make sure they don't burn. So I would check it after about 10 minutes or so just to see how they look. But go ahead and pop these into the oven, do a broil, and then we will peel them up. All right, look at that, nicely roasted red peppers. You can see that the skins have all charred up and blackened, and they're starting to loosen. But the next step that we wanna do here, once they're roasted, is transfer them to a heat-proof bowl. And we're gonna go ahead and cover the peppers here. Let them steam for about a couple minutes until they cool enough and the skins loosen up. All right, roasted red peppers here. Yep, you can see how they've really steamed up and the skins have loosened up. They're already starting to peel off themselves. Now they just peel right off very easily. So go ahead and peel all your peppers and then we'll get chopping. All right, last pepper is peeled. So the next step here is go ahead and give them a rough chop. I'm just gonna slice them into strips. I give them a rough chop. And we're gonna pop it into a bowl, and then we will get making some roasted red pepper soup. Once your peppers are roasted, go ahead and get your soup making station all set up. So here I have a 1/4 cup of peanut oil, a 1/4 cup of flour, it's just all-purpose flour. Go ahead and into your pot to medium heat, and we're gonna cook it down for about 10 minutes or so, stirring constantly until it turns more of a like a peanut buttery color or coppery color. So the next step here is to add 1 medium chopped onion, and here's where your heat factor comes in. Here I have a couple of red Fresno peppers that I'm adding. Fresno peppers aren't overly hot. They're about as hot as jalapeno peppers, but they're really great for flavor, and Patty really loves that level of heat. Cooking this down for about 4 to 5 minutes or so. Let it soften up, and then we will continue. Next, go ahead and add in your reserved chopped roasted red peppers. 4 good-sized garlic cloves here that I minced up, along with a tablespoon of smoked paprika and a teaspoon of freshly toasted ground cumin, and salt and pepper to taste. So go ahead and stir it, and we're gonna cook for about a minute. All right, now I have 2 cups of chicken stock. Vegetable stock works great as well. It's really your preference. Give it a nice stir, and we're gonna go ahead and let this simmer for a good 20 minutes or so, and let all those flavors meld and combine and just get outstandingly delicious. So this has been simmering for quite a while, and it's thickened up a lot. At this point, you could, if you wanted to, process it, and it would be a nice, very thick soup, or it would make a fantastic sauce. So if you ever want to make a roasted red pepper sauce, this is one way that you can do it. Outstanding. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of water. I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of water to thin it out just a little bit, and just go ahead and stir that together. But I'm going to go ahead and process this. You can transfer this to a food processor or a blender, or a stick blender works great. I've been using this for a long time. It just works awesome. Just go ahead and do it right in the pot here. All right, look at that, my friends. This is so creamy. But if you're looking for even more creamy factor to it, you can easily stir in a bit of heavy cream, or even like whole milk, or even better, some cream cheese. Just melt some cream cheese through, stir it in until it's melted through, and just heat it up, and you'll get extra cheesy, creamy flavor. It's really delicious that way. But this is really my favorite way to do it. It's just outstanding. So, all right, let's give it a taste. Seriously, that is so delicious. This is my favorite roasted red pepper soup. Pure, delicious roasted red pepper flavor. You can also print this full recipe with details at the website at chilipeppermadness.com.